Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, it really helps me out. Make sure the little bell's on the all setting. YouTube still hasn't fixed that, I can't stand it. I'll try to find the little information where it says about if you have it on personal, what things could happen and you won't get notices. That's where I suspect that a bunch of people said they're not getting notices. It's still set to personal. Some of mine, when they actually changed the bell over, went to none. So keep that in mind. You may have to go back and check all your subscriptions and make sure the bell's on. But anyways, I have a new gel polish collection from Modelones. They kindly sent to me. Thank you, Modelones. This is their Art Deco collection. It's another one with that cool box with the lid that slides off. And it shows you to use hashtag Modelones to share with them. You can always write at Modelones on Instagram and Facebook. This is how their social media handles look. They give you all their contact information, tips for applying, their certifications, that it lasts for 30 months. These are 10 milliliter bottles. It has more information inside and it has a cute velvet lined tray inside. But I like it because this is already perfect for a gift. I already cheated and put on 2 colors, so I'm not going to swatch these, but I'm going to show you how I mark my bottles because a couple of you asked. And I'm just going to get into swatching a few of these for you. Maybe I'll do a little decor on them. So first up is this gorgeous looking bottle. It's number 7. Look at that color. The next one in this gorgeous little bottle is number 8. I will be curing all of these for 30 seconds in my lamp. Some lamps it may take 45 seconds depending on the size, but my lamp's always listed down below. Oh, this is like a bright, bright white. Great for those French manicures. Whites you want to make sure that you put on extra thin. Most of them contain something like zinc dioxide just to make it that brilliant white. And that happens to also block out the sun, as we know. That's why whites are such a hard problem. I don't have too much trouble with Modelones whites, but you still want to be very careful. And since I didn't use a base coat on these nails, I want to be a little extra careful. That's why it's a little bit streaky. I didn't wipe it off with alcohol. I'm trying to save it right now. Third up in this dark brown bottle is number 9. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'll show you on the 2 that I've already done how I mark the bottles. Look at that luscious, oh, that's a really, I don't know, it's a red with brown in it. Oh, it's so cool. I don't have any reds like this. Oh, that's gorgeous. The next 2 are the glitters. This is number 10 that I have on, I believe. Yes. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now I just spilled it all over my bottle. So this is number 10, and this is the one I have on my other hand. This is number 11. And I'll show you how I marked them with these ones in a minute so you can see them swatched out as well. Now I'll put 2 coats on all of these with curing for 30 seconds in between and then a top coat. And this is number 12. Look at that bottle. I love the coordinating bottles. You can see that color right there in the label. So let me get all these cured up. Okay, I have those 4 colors, 2 coats cured. I didn't top coat it yet. I figured I'm going to do a little art with it. But I did promise to show you how I mark these bottles. So what I do, I saw my friend from Girly Nail 66 with these. I actually, I'm not digging the natural. I also have the clear. And what they are is just little dots. They're clear. They have the little 3M stickers on that you can use. These are double-sided tape. And what I do is I take out the color that I want. The curved sides on this side, I put it on the back. It doesn't take much of your color at all. This way you can see it really clearly. I put a little piece of plastic, clear plastic, in the bottom of my nail lamp. You can see this. These could be worn a little bit sheerer than what I have on, but this is only one very, very light coat. I only have 2 layers on. It's the second coat that really adds in the pigment. So I would give these a cure. You can see this one could be used as a jelly really easily. Just add a little base coat to it, or top coat. So I just take this, pop it into my lamp, and give it a cure. Okay, now this is cured, and it's cured gel, so you don't ever want to touch your gel. I know quite a few people that have allergies. You don't want to be touching it. I just slip the little dots on. I should have wiped it off with alcohol first. That's what I usually do. You'll feel like you're taking it off. But as long as you see that little bit of, basically it looks like this. It'd be really smooth if I had to use alcohol first. But if you see paper on it, that means you just didn't get it all up. Let me finish these up real quick, and I'm gonna try to do a little nail art with the other colors. I guess I should show you how I put them on the bottle. I had to go back through and wipe them off with alcohol and reapply the stickers. That just wasn't working. There's a little tab on them. Just get out an old nail file that you don't really like. If you don't like the little bump, just rub that off. So since I cleaned it with alcohol, well actually nail cleanser I used, the sticker would adhere, and now you can touch it, it doesn't matter. Then you can stick it to your bottle. I like to stick it on the back side of these bottles because they still fit in their original box. The tops are not perfectly flat, so you can't do it there. A lot of my other bottles I put them on top, or you could put them underneath in the little recess maybe. I haven't tried that. On the sides, but this seems to fit back in my box really well. And then when I reference the color number, I actually store them in my box this way so I can reference the color number and the color. See what this color looks like with this one. The glitters are a bit sheer, so you can get by with putting them on thicker and curing them. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just talking and doing it. Totally gonna go the opposite way with that. The only thing, I wish that the bottles were flat on this end so that I could just stand it upright to paint with. But most people use it as a palette, unlike crazy me. I don't always get out a palette. And I'm going to give this a full cure. Now I'm thinking, trying to do kind of the opposite thing here. I'm going to try to just blend this in a little bit with the little dots. Lordy, I'm having trouble holding my hand still today. And you can cure it between each one if you want. I'm taking a risk and not curing it. But if you don't cure it, you can wipe it off with alcohol if you don't like it. Don't make them too thick. They will pucker up, shrink and shrivel, especially white. Just a little something. Let me finish top coating these. Maybe add a couple gems on, I'm not sure. And I'll see you here on my next video. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you Modelones for sending these gorgeous gel colors for me to play with. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.